As a leading animal health organization, we are committed to support our members in their efforts to control the disease. The WOAH develops science-based international standard, which provides the legal framework for the implementation of effective disease control measures. We disseminate disease intelligence by sharing epidemiological information that is reported to the World Animal Health Information System. This allows the international community to follow up the evolution of the disease and inform the early warning systems. In addition, with the support of our scientific network, including the WOAH Reference Laboratory and the OFLU network, we promote international collaboration and provide the technical guidance for effective disease control.